Adjusting the size of your whoop strap is a straightforward process that ensures a comfortable and accurate fit. To begin, locate the buckle on your whoop strap, which is typically made of a durable plastic material. The buckle features a sliding mechanism that allows you to adjust the strap length. First, hold the whoop strap in one hand and use your other hand to locate the sliding mechanism on the buckle. You will notice a small button or lever that controls the mechanism. Press the button or lever to release the lock, allowing you to adjust the strap length. Next, slide the strap through the buckle to your desired length. It is essential to find a length that is snug but not too tight, as this can cause discomfort and affect the accuracy of your whoop data. A good rule of thumb is to ensure the strap is tight enough to stay in place during exercise, but loose enough to allow for a full range of motion. Once you have found your desired length, release the button or lever to lock the strap in place. You should hear a slight click as the mechanism engages, indicating that the strap is secure. To double-check the fit, put on the whoop strap and perform a few movements to ensure it stays in place. It is also important to note that the whoop strap is designed to be worn snugly on the wrist, with the sensor facing inward towards your skin. This ensures accurate heart rate and other biometric data collection. If you find that your strap is too loose or too tight, you can repeat the adjustment process as needed. In addition to adjusting the strap length, you can also trim the excess strap material to prevent it from getting in the way. This can be done using a pair of scissors or a strap cutter, and can help to improve the overall comfort and appearance of your whoop strap. By following these steps, you can easily adjust your whoop strap size to ensure a comfortable and accurate fit. Remember to periodically check the strap length to ensure it remains secure and comfortable. And do not hesitate to reach out to Whoop Support if you have any questions or concerns.